Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to verify your Pepperstone account. Once you have created your account, you just go ahead and you need to come here and set up your trading account first. So choose your preferred platform. I'll use Pepperstone. You select your leverage, your base currency, hit continue, and after that you need to enter all of these details. You need to fill in information about your employment, income, things like this. Continue with this process until you have filled in everything right here, your trading preferences, your employment income. You do an appropriateness test, you fill in your personal details as well, and then once you do your declaration, they'll ask you to verify yourself. In that case, what you do is you come here, click on begin verification, and all you need to do after that is you need to go ahead and provide your identity document, right? Go ahead and submit your ID. You submit photos. After that, you'll do a liveness check. They will go ahead and scan your face and make sure that you are a real person, and then you provide your address information. So you come here, click on start verification, click on agree and continue, and then what you need to do is choose your document type. Depending on the country, you'll have different document types you can go ahead and submit. For example, ID card, driver's license, residence permit, passport, and you go ahead and submit that specific document, right? Upload the photos, or you can continue on phone as well. And once you're done with that, you will be able to go ahead and verify yourself. So submit the ID document, do a liveness check, and then finally you'll provide your address verification, and then you'll be verified. It'll be that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.